All right, so here we are on June 11th, Thursday. So this stock has already tripped the algorithm. It switched and gave us permission to get in. Volume agreed, so we already jumped in. And yeah, we'll see how it does. Yep, that's what happens when you're trying to trade and babysit and the kids want attention. Oh man. So we hit our target, so we're technically this trade is a solid trade, but I could jump out at any time here and this would be, it is what it is. So we're gonna stay in though and see if this pushes back up through, and then we'll try to get our stop in here at 71.59. So I'm gonna put my stop in for 71 because it already hit our chart target. I see that, baby. I see that. I see that. All right, cool. So we're out. Okay, so you see where we had our algorithm switched and then indicated the entry, gave us permission at the time, not anymore, and all stuff good, get in trade basically. So it went up, we got our stop, hit our first target, and we trade off the chart, not necessarily off the level 2. So with the spread, the level 2 didn't trigger this trade. So if had I put my stop in here for it, I would have missed it by like a penny before this happened here. So once it hit here, I could have just marketed out. I didn't. So once it pulled back, I could have put my stop in just below there, 71.25-ish. But I gave up the additional quarter. I shouldn't have, but I did, and got out at $71. So as you heard in the background, it's a little bit busy, a little distracted there, but we got it in nonetheless. Green trade, 33 cents. And had I got greedy and was looking for, oh, I'm going to stay in, it's got to go back up and go through, I wanted to go up higher, then I would have rode this into a loser. So definitely once it hits the target, I want to get out. And I stopped putting the profit up here, like how much money I was making, because it is a distraction. And when you're trading as a trader, it had, if this went here and showed me like $105 and it came back and I was looking at like $70 or $80, I'd have been like, oh no, I want the 100, I want the 100. And then I would have stayed looking for 100, not looking to be correct and hitting my target. I would have been looking for the $100 bill. So, and then I would have got, I would have probably rode it all the way down to the ground. So I stopped showing that up here. And I think as traders, it's actually, more important to see the pennies per share. So in this stock, it's 33 cents per share. So when you look at it as your own self, with a $70 stock, are you buying 100 shares? Are you buying 1,000 shares? If you bought 1,000 shares, you're looking at $330 for the day. 10,000 shares, 3,000 something. So basically, I'm going to start just showing the pennies per share because I think that'll be more helpful. At least I've got some feedback, so I think that'll be more helpful, and that's what I'm going to try for a while. All right. So anyway, yeah, good trade. 33 cents we made on this one. So pretty sweet, and yeah, we'll look for another one. All right, so that's going to do it for me today. So 33 cents per share is what we're looking at to finish the day out. And yeah, we'll see everybody tomorrow. Market's selling off big time today. I had a short position on my swing, and I just closed it out yesterday for a small profit. I did it through TVIX, and I made a small profit, like, I don't know, 12 or 13 points per share. When if I would have held one more day, it could be up like 50 points per share. So insane. Who knew? All right. We'll see y'all tomorrow.